Target audiences are set by the Google Workspace administrator, but once they're set up, you can set a document to be accessible by everyone in a target audience via the Share button. Choose the link along the bottom of the dialog box to change general access. Click on the drop-down arrow, then choose the required target audience. Choose the way that all members of the target audience will be able to access the document, which can be view, comment, or edit access. Click on Done. Everyone in the target audience will now be able to access the document. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris if you want to know more about Google Workspace.